Today we're going to go over how to do a leg raise, and I'm going to provide you with some progressions so that if lifting your legs up straight seems to be too hard or you feel like you're hurting something, there are other forms of the movement that you can start with. Okay, so number one, you can try doing one leg at a time. If that's feeling pretty easy, you can try both legs together, knees bent. Now, when I'm doing both of these movements, I'm making sure that I have 90-degree angles with my arms, right? So I don't want to sink down here. I'm going to start to feel that in my shoulders. I'm going to strain my neck. So we want to have shoulders back and down. Hold that 90-degree angle here and then lift. If you feel like that's still relatively easy, then you can progress to the straight leg raise. We're using lots of lower abs. I'm still making sure to have that 90-degree angle here, but I'm keeping my legs straight. Hope that helps. Give it a try.